Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built my pedestal for the tube bender that I just received. Tube bender is going to be very useful to make my own handlebar, part of the frame for the motorcycle, and also the support stand for the rotisserie for the Fouga. So to be able to move around the tube bender, I decided to build it on a stand that will be on wheel, and and to make it even easier, rather than trying to pump that tube bender by hand, decided to do a hydraulic air conversion. So I need something very sturdy to hold that piston and everything, So I'm gonna go with the flow because there is no plan. I tried to do some research and didn't see anything or any video or anybody showing how to really install that tube bender on a stand or pedestal. So here I received the tube bender. This is a degree wheel. And this is a great tool. This is a good quality stuff. It was back ordered. I had to wait 2-3 weeks to get it delivered. It's built in Florida, so it's even better. But the thing is the lack of information. The manual show you how to install the tube bender together, but it doesn't show you at all how to install it on the stand or pedestal. So maybe I'm kind of dumb sometimes, but I couldn't figure it out. So anyway, and I ordered also 2 die. One is 1 inch and the other one is 1 1/8. 1 inch and 1/8. So 1 inch for the handlebar and 1 inch and 1/8 for the motorcycle frame. So that's gonna be fun. So here I'm drilling 3 holes with a 3/4 of an inch hole saw, and I'm gonna put a 3/4 rod through it. The purpose of that is to have something to hang the die when I'm not using those die and the other tools that goes with the die. And I'm just gonna put 2 for now because that's what I have, and I have 2 dies, and I'm making just a 3rd hole because it's easier to do it now than trying to do it when everything is welded together and put it together. So that's the reason. So this is how it's gonna look, and everything will be welded on top, and I will be able to put my die on one side and the other tool. So that's the idea. Here I'm prepping the metal to be welded. Really good clean with acetone. Make sure there is no any residue or grease or anything. Here you can see that with the kit from Swag, there is that plate that is on top that came with the kit, and it shows you what to do, So you have to weld one nut that will go in the inside, and so you will be able to attach the tube bender. So here it is, all installed. The only thing I was not happy with was the weight distribution on a stand. So I removed the pedestal, the center section, as you can see. I move it a little bit forward, so it's a little bit more stable on the wheels. The other thing is I did not use the digital angle yet because I will have to drill the die, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to give it a shot just with the jiggery wheel and see how it goes. So next thing was painting the pedestal. I had some Eastwood chassis black left over, so that's what I did. And then we installed everything together, and it's ready to rock and to bend some tube for the frame and handlebar. Here is the first attempt at the handlebar, so not too bad. Very looking forward. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.